Hello, this is the first tutorial of the first version of AI-Track-tive. AI-Track-tive is the first software that counts vision tracks automatically using computer vision. It is developed by Simon Nachterhalen. That's me. All rights are reserved for Ghent University and FWO Flanders. In order to have access to the software, you need to use your own email address and ask for a free key to simonnachterhalen@ugent.be. After you successfully insert your password, the location of your deep neural network needs to be inserted. Below, you also need to specify the output directory. You also need to give the width of your microscopy images in pixels and in micrometers. You can choose for manual reviewing, and I strongly recommend to do. Now you can enter the name for your sample, for example demo. Then you can select the type of your sample. You can choose between appetite and external detector, only external detector, or only appetite. You can choose your graticle now. You can choose between no graticle, polygonal, custom choice, or a circular graticle. Now you can select your images. You can select your appetite file in your own computer. For example, this file. Then for your external detector, you can choose this file. Then you have to indicate how many pictures you selected and how many grains that you want to be analyzed. If you click this button, you will save the settings from the previous settings window. Don't forget this. Now, because you have chosen for a polygonal custom-made graticle, we can indicate the corners of our polygon. Do this by clicking left mouse button. Press escape to continue. Now, automatic vision track recognition has ended. Indicate the additional tracks by dragging a rectangle around the track using the left mouse button. When a track is indicated, click on escape on your keyboard. If the machine learning algorithm indicates something that is not a track, draw a rectangle using right mouse button. In order to appear these manually detected boxes, click on escape. If all tracks are added, hit middle mouse button and then press escape to continue. For example, here you see that the algorithm was not perfect and that it missed 2 tracks. You could indicate this using left mouse button. Now when it's done, you can just click on middle mouse button to proceed and escape. Here we see the icon. Press on escape to see the custom-made polygon. Similarly as for appetite, you are given the opportunity to do some manual corrections. As you see on the image, it's not really necessary and the algorithm was quite accurate. Now you just click on middle mouse button to proceed. Click again on escape.